Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine and you are safe at home. Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to do place value. Today what we are going to do? We are going to do place value. Now kids, what can you see on the screen? Here we have number 928. 928. Now, we must know that which number is in which place. Now, usually we study the place value as ones, tens, hundreds. Say with me again. Ones, tens, hundreds. So, 8 here is in ones place. 2 is in tens place and hundreds place is of 9. 9 is on hundreds place. So this is 928. So let's see. Can you tell me the place value for this number? What's the number? 347. 347. Tell me the place value. What's the place value for 7? It is ones. What about 4? Tens. And 3 is in hundreds place. So how we will say? This is 347. 347. Now here, let's try to solve these questions. Here we have the ones and the tens place for the following numbers. So tell me, the first number is 38. So what will be on the ones place? 8. And 3 will be on the tens place. See the next number, 78. 8 will be on the ones place and 7 will be on the tens place. See the next one, 54. 4 in ones place and 5 in the tens place. See the next one, 21. 1 will be in the ones place and 2 in the tens place, 21. See the next one, 60. 0 in the ones place and 6 in the tens place, 60. Next, 83. 3 in ones place and 8 in the tens place, 83. See the next one, 29. 9 in the ones place and 2 in the tens place. See the next one, 42. 2 will be in the ones place and 4 in the tens place. So this is 42. Let's take another set of questions. Here we have 3-digit numbers. See the first number, 248. 8 will come in the ones place, 4 in tens place and 2 in hundreds place. So this is 248. See the next one, 307. 7 in ones place, 0 in tens place and 3 in hundreds place. 307. See the next one, 652. 2 will come in the ones place, 5 in tens place and 6 in hundreds place. So 652. See the next one, 754. 4 will come in the ones place, 5 in tens place and 7 in hundreds place. So the number is 754. 754. See the next one, 853. 3 will come in the ones place, 5 in tens place and 8 in hundreds place. So this will be 853. 853. See the next one. 341. 341. 1 will come in the ones place. 4 in tens place. And 3 in hundreds place. So the number will be 341. 341. Let's try to understand the next question. This is fill in the place value. Fill in the place value. Yes, so you have to tell the place value. What is the place value of 6 in the number 256? So kids, in this question, you have a number that is 256 and you have to tell the place value for 6. What is the place value of 6 in the number 256? Is it A, hundreds or B, ones? Yes. So think for 1 minute. What will be the answer? Yes. The answer is 6 is in ones place. See the next question. What is the place value of 8 in the number 185? What is the place value of 8 in 185? Yes, is it hundreds or is it tens? What will be the answer? The answer is tens. The answer is tens. See the next one. Here you have to form the numbers. Here you have to form the numbers. Now we have 4 in ones place, 6 in tens place, and 3 in hundreds place. So what will be the number? Can you think what is the number? 4 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, and 3 in hundreds place. So what will be the number? Yes, the number will be 364. 364 and not 436. The answer is 364. See the next question. 7 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, and 1 is in hundreds place. 1 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 7 ones. So what will be the number? Is it A, 701 or B, 107? Yes, the answer is 107. The answer is 107. Yes, my dear kids. This is all related to the chapter place value, where you have studied how we have to put the correct numbers in the places, and we have what place values? We have ones, tens and hundreds, and you must know how to make it. Now here we have 347. Here you know 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, and 3 is in hundreds place. Then we did tens and ones, the place value for these digits. Yes, you remember? I hope you understood it. Then we did the place value for 3-digit numbers. See how we have done the place value for 3-digit numbers? Yes, hundreds, tens and ones. And then the two main questions which you need to understand. Number one, it will be asked that you have to find out the place value for a particular digit, for a particular value. Value means digit. So you have to tell the place, whether it is ones, hundreds or tens. Okay? Then you have to form the numbers. In the question, it will be mentioned that 4 is in ones place, 6 in tens and 3 in hundreds. So what will be the number? Yes. So like this, you will have to tell the answer that this will be the correct number, how you are forming the numbers. All right, my dear kids, I hope you understood what we have done today. Do practice with some more questions. Until then, take care and we'll meet soon for the next class. Bye-bye.